and welcome to my channel. My name is Jack. And I am back. So I guess you can say that I am back, Jack. What apps do you really need to make your cruising experience unforgettable in 2024? When it comes to planning and enjoying a voyage, having the right tools can make all the difference. And in today's digital age, that means having the right apps on your phone or tablet. As a cruiser, you know how important it is to stay organized, informed, and connected while at sea. That's why we're counting down the must-have apps for cruisers in 2024. From booking and preparation to navigation and entertainment, there's an app for every stage of your cruise. And with new technologies emerging all the time, it's easier than ever to stay ahead of the game. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie to the world of cruising, these apps are designed to enhance your experience and make your voyage truly unforgettable. Of course, it wasn't always this way. Just a few years ago, cruise travel was all about paper maps, guidebooks, and relying on word of mouth for recommendations. But with the rise of mobile technology, the cruising experience has been transformed. Today, you can plan, prepare, and enjoy your voyage from the palm of your hand. Fast forward to the present, and it's clear that mobile apps have become an essential part of the cruising experience. So, which ones should you be using? Let's dive in and explore the top picks for 2024. First up, we have navigation apps. These are the ones that'll help you chart your course, track your progress, and stay safe at sea. One popular option is Navionics, which offers detailed charts, real-time weather updates, and even crowdsourced data from other users. Let me take a moment to ask you if you are enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also, please click subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you will be notified when I post a new video, which is every day. Next, we have entertainment apps. These are the ones that'll keep you and your fellow passengers entertained on long days at sea. From streaming services like Netflix to games and social media, there's no shortage of ways to stay connected and have fun. Another essential category is onboard communication apps. These allow you to stay in touch with fellow passengers, make reservations, and even order food and drinks from the comfort of your cabin. It's all about convenience and making the most of your time on board. Let's take a closer look at some specific examples. For navigation, we have apps like SmeCity, which offers offline maps and guides for ports of call around the world. For entertainment, there's the Carnival Hub app, which lets you track your schedule, book shore excursions, and even text with fellow passengers. But what about onboard communication? That's where apps like Cruise Shipmate come in, allowing you to track your ship's position, view deck plans, and even chat with other cruisers. And for those concerned about staying connected while at sea, apps like Marine Traffic offer real-time vessel tracking and even ship spotting. Of course, not everyone is convinced that technology is the way forward. Some argue that relying too heavily on apps takes away from the authentic cruise experience, or that connectivity issues at sea make them unreliable. But for most cruisers, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. So, what's the verdict? Are these must-have apps really worth the hype? In our opinion, the answer is a resounding yes. By staying ahead of the curve and embracing the latest technology, you can enhance your cruise experience, stay organized, and make the most of your time at sea. In conclusion, the world of cruise travel has come a long way in recent years, and mobile apps have been at the forefront of that transformation. By incorporating these must-have apps into your planning and preparation, you'll be well on your way to an unforgettable voyage in 2024. So, which apps will you be using on your next cruise? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your cruise, be sure to check out our video on top cruising tips and secrets. Thanks for watching, and happy sailing!